Here we have three very interesting questions on exponential functions. I would like you to make a note of these, try it yourself, and then look into the solution. Question number 19. If distance 2 to the power of x minus 1 is a units long, then how long will the distance 2 to the power of x plus 1 will be? Question 20. Determine the solution for minus 4 to the power of m equals to minus 4 within brackets to the power of m. Question 21. Find the equation that has a base of 8, a vertical stretch of 6, a horizontal reflection, a horizontal shift of 2 units to the left, and a vertical translation of 4 units down. Okay, make a note of these, answer your questions, and then look into the solution. Here is the solution. If distance 2 to the power of x minus 1 is a, so let's write a is equals to 2 to the power of x minus 1. Then how long will the distance 2 to the power of x plus 1 be? Now, think like this. We already have a equals to 2 to the power of x minus 1. So we want to make this as 2 to the power of x plus 1. How can we do it? If you multiply by 2, what happens? If you multiply by 2, this becomes 2 to the power of x minus 1 plus 1, which means 2 to the power of x, right? Correct? But we need 2 to the power of x plus 1, so we'll multiply by another 2. So if we do that, then we get 2 to the power of x plus 1. So we get 4. This implies that 4a equals to 2 to the power of x plus 1, correct? So how long will the distance be? If the distance is 2 to the power x plus 1, then the distance will be 4a. Do you understand? So therefore, distance will be 4a, correct? That's your answer. Question 20. Determine the solution for minus 4 to the power of m equals to minus 4 within brackets to the power of m. Okay, here I have seen many times students making a particular mistake, and let me go through that. Let us say m is 0. Now if m equals to 0, then what do you get? So we get minus 4 to the power of 0, which is minus 1, correct? And how about this number? So here we get minus 4 to the power of 0, which is 1. You see, this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. So this is not a solution, okay? So this is not solution. At times I've seen, a lot of students making this mistake, and that's why I want to make this clear that, well, this is not a solution. Okay, now you have to look for a solution. Now the solution is that anything odd number is there in the exponent, then minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus, right? Correct? Then you get the same thing, correct? Therefore, the solution here is that m could be equal to numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, right? So what we are saying is m is odd. That is, m is odd exponent. Is it okay? So that is solution, right? If I write minus 4 to the power of 1, it is minus 4. Here also we get minus 4. If I write minus 4 to the power of 3, right? Even minus 3 will work, okay? So we could actually say plus and minus odd exponents, right? That is interesting. So I should actually say plus and minus, correct? I should add plus and minus here, okay? So either 1 over that will also work for us, correct? So therefore, let me write this. And in general, you know how we can write an odd number? 2n to the power of, we can write odd numbers as 2n plus 1, right? So that is how you can say odd numbers. But, well, this is very good. So therefore, the answer is, so m is all odd integers. Correct? So for this particular thing, we can say m is all integers, correct? And that gives us the right solution for this particular question, correct? Yes. Now, so let me write plus and minus. Is that okay? Now, question 21. Find the equation that has a base of 8. So we have a base of 8. So let us say f of x. So in general, we want a transformed function, right? So the transformed function f of x can be written as a times whatever the base is, right, to the power of k times x minus d plus c, right? This is the kind of function we are looking for. And in this particular case, we can write this as base is 8. So b is 8 for us, right? So we say 8 here. We can write f of x equals to vertical stretch of 6. So we get 6 here, right? Times 8. Horizontal reflection, that means k is minus, right? And horizontally shift 2 units to left. So this becomes x plus 2, right? That means 2 units to left. And vertical translate 4 units down, so minus 4, correct? So that gives us the transformed function, exponential function for the given situation. I hope that you find it interesting and you learn from this. Okay, take a good look, try to understand all the solutions and then move on. That is going to help you to do your test well. Thank you.